Get ready because we're going to make an R2-D2 scale pattern in Illustrator. Let's go! Here's how to make an R2-D2 scale pattern. It's a tessellation. Here's how I made it. Basically, I just made this teardrop shape from a circle. Let me move this one off to the side and show you. I started with an artboard that is 1000 by 1000. I made it big and I made it equal, so it was really obvious. I pulled my colors in too because I wanted to have this blue. I have my swatches open. By the way, that's down here. And when you pick a color, you can just make a new swatch. I had that one down there, and then I sampled another one for the metal grayish color. New swatch, good to go. Now I'm ready. Grab the ellipse tool, go to view, and make sure smart guides are on. You're going to want to hover in the middle of your artboard, and by default it's going to want to connect with existing artwork. So for that reason, if you have something existing on the board, make a new layer and turn it off. And now the smart guide will just use what's on the screen. We want to pull from the center. See how it says center? Holding down Alt Option and Shift, pull open as big a circle as you can. And now we're going to give it a stroke that's pretty thick. And I'm going to choose that dark blue. Now we're going to make a tessellation out of this. I'm going to use the Alt Option click and drag copy method. And I'm going to click and drag it so the center of the new circle lands in the lower right corner. I'm going to release the mouse and then release the Alt Option key. Now I'm going to use the selection tool to select both of them and grab the shape builder. Holding down the Alt Option key again, I'm going to just click and drag in there, and that will get rid of that area. We're going to do that one more time. Get the center so it intersects with the corner of your artboard. Release. Select both. Alt Option, click and drag up so you get rid of that extra. Now you should have a perfectly symmetrical scale. Let's add an R2-D2 eye. Select everything and scale it down so it's smaller. You can hold down Alt Option and Shift, or just Shift, to keep it in proportion. Alt Option will keep it in the middle. With it all selected, make it into a pattern. By default, it's going to more or less tessellate. Click Done. Move your motif out of the way, grab a rectangle tool, and fill your artboard. Copy the rectangle, paste in place. For the top one, fill it with your new pattern. Change the bottom color. I think that looks pretty good. That's a tessellating R2-D2 scaled pattern.